stuff. Are you ready?
So what are all these beauty counter?
Well, let's see. So this Counter Time Radiant Skin Set. Okay. Which is the tripeptide serum. Work it into your skin with our turn back time facial roll. Thank you. I'm gonna set that down.
Is that the skin set?
This is, yeah.
Mom,
Yes.
are you gonna put
Can you
those
stop
back?
picking your nose? You need to stop picking your
Are
nose.
you gonna put those back? Are you gonna put those back in the boxes?
That's kind of cool. A little scoopy scoop thing.
Mom,
What?
back in the boxes?
Yeah, I'm just looking at them right now. Some of these
Oh my
I'm going to give as gifts. Some of these I'm going to keep for myself. And some of these I'm going to let other people buy. Okay, what's this one? Good Glow Body Duo. It's the Sugar Buff Body Polish and Body Glow Illuminating Lotion. That's smart. Okay.
Please leave the hot mine. I don't want to like.
You can dance if you wanna. Ah, the jellies.
Oh, I see the jellies.
You getting jelly?
No, they're lip glosses called the jellies. You see them?
Ladies?
Those were shoes.
Shoes?
No, but these are not shoes because they're lip glosses.
Like a beauty counter.
Because they're Beautycounter. So this one is raspberry, red pear, orange cream, fresh mint, and sweet plum.
Secret oil. Oil all the time.
The winter warmth duo. Ooh. Ooh, Chihuahua. My goodness, look how shimmery.
Leave your friends
I
behind.
can't see that here.
Don't baby left in the.
So highlighting power and cream eyeshadow. Ombre au papier cream. Creme.
Does that really have to be in
Crème de la
Spanish, Mom?
No, baby, it's in French.
I'm behind.
Information about the
When
Beautycounter.
those songs you don't
Business opportunity.
Dance if you want to. Leave your phone behind.
Grazie.
From my computer.
Okay. You'll be on your computer? I'll be.
Hey, this is not sanitary.
What's not sanitary?
This is not a sanitary computer.
What does that mean?
Well, it's a sanitary computer.
Ultimate Renewal Bath Set. Oh, this is the dry brush, the body polish, and the body lotion. So that is like friends with this guy. This is the duo. Cool. So this one comes with the dry brush. Which is cool.
You only have one left.
Good Sense Body Butter Trio. I mean, if you want to go get some, that would be fine. Oh, Mary's going to be happy about that. She just ran out this one. Uplift, balance, calm. Nice. Okay. Oh, the Golden Hour all-in-one palette. You want to see this? I'm so excited about this palette.
What? We opening these.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. And then look at this. Removable mirror. Super fun.
I see the removable.
Yeah, look. Pops out of here. So then this whole thing would be recyclable after you pull the mirror out. Look at that. It's like a secret compartment. Look how gorgeous. Aura Ray, Dawn, Shadow, Horizon, and Beam.
Where are you going?
Where are you going, baby? Cheers to a safer future for all. Ooh, priceless. That's convenient. More jellies. Oh, these are the pastel ones. Oh, that one's really pretty. What is that one? Let's first the second one. Honey. Okay, cocoa, honey, peppermint, caramel. How do you say that? You say caramel or you say caramel?
Okay.
Yeah. I say caramel. So it's totally not how it's spelled. And sorbet. Cocoa. Okay, so it's gonna go cocoa, honey, peppermint for sure. Caramel sorbet. Yeah, that's it. I want to say caramel, but I never, ever, ever say caramel. I always say caramel. You can dance if you wanna. Polish and protect lip duo. Oh, you know it's good. Yeah, I have so many people who are gonna be pumped about that. Claude, looking at you, sister. Polish
What do you
and
polish and
protect
protect?
your lips, Holmes. See? It's the lip balm, but portable, and then a lip polish. Minty.
Hey, we're not eating plants.
We're not eating plants. Bright Side Duo. Vitamin C serum, overnight resurfacing peel. Work together. Magic. Calm, balance, uplift. This is the hand cream trio. It's getting exciting over here. Okay, what's this one? This is the Beyond Gloss Trio. Oh my god, these are so pretty. What are they? Iris Shimmer, Wild Berry, and Lilac Shimmer. I want all of these things. I think I'm gonna keep all of these. It's Christmas. Holiday 2020. Let's talk prices. Clean makeup. We've got the Luminous Lids Cream Shadows, $39 USD. If you're in Canada, we can talk. But I'm not gonna name all those. The Jellies and Brights, $39. The Jellies and Shimmers, $39. Adios, muchachos. Golden Hour all-in-one palette, $65 for that whole thing. That's awesome. The Beyond Gloss Trio, $49. Nice. The Winter Warmth Duo, $45. Awesome. Great skin category. Countertime Radiant Skin Set, $89. Bright Side Duo, $75. Polish and Protect Lip Duo, $34. Ultimate Renewal Bath Set, $89. Oh, that's the one with the dry brush too. The Good Glow Body Duo, $59. Softening Hand Duo,
That's a great deal.
$65. The Clean Dio Minis, those aren't in here. They're
Great
fine.
deal.
Are $49. Oh, that's 3 of them. That's nice. The Good Sense Hand Cream Trio, $34. That's the smaller version. Good Sense Body Butter Trio, $49. Counterman. You hear that, Counterman? Fresh Essentials, $55.
What is that? I'm out of the shaving cream.
You're out of the shaving cream.
Because I never shave.
I got you, boo.